Hello, welcome to the channel, the Crochet Yarn and Hook Studio. I hope everyone is good and living the best life. Today I bring a very unique thing for you. I bring my daily routine, that what type of routine I usually carry with my crocheting lifestyle. So after breakfast, my day slowly begins with a cup of calm and a table full of yarn. I sit down directly on my table right after my breakfast and picking up where I left yesterday or start a new thing that is in my pipeline to do. Trying to finish my ongoing projects, crochet projects, and stitch at a time is usually what I do. In between threads and patterns, and I also do there's recording, editing, and creating something meaningful for all of you. But my day isn't just about crocheting. It's full of joy, full of so many other things that I do every day beside crocheting. I love to do not only crocheting but to bring passion to it and to bring something very unique in front of you. So I try my level best that whatever I'm making, I bring it for you with all the easiest stitches that I am making, and I'm try my level best that I bring something more useful and for especially for the beginners that who are struggling with stitches and patterns. So my tutorials and my videos are especially for those who love to do. But my day isn't just about crochet. My little girl always by my side. She has so many demands that I have to fulfill with her endless questions and little stories, and somehow I manage everything in between those sweet interruptions that she did. And I also bring so many other stuff like reading and my other home tasks that I do in my kitchen and outdoor. So it's not about only crocheting, it's about the other things, other lively things that I do in my crochet world. So honestly speaking, it felt like my achievement too when I am handling so many things together. So those who are struggling and those who are making it more difficult, feeling it more difficult, it's not about difficulty, it's about the achievement that you are doing. My daughter also bring some of her things to me that adjust this and that. So this is her most favorite toy, and she's with this toy about 3 to 4 years, I guess. She's just 5, and she chose it from a market when she was 2. So that got damaged, so she'd bring that to me to just adjust it. So these are the things that she brings sometimes whenever she's at home. Rest when she's going school, then she also give me some instructions that mama, you have to do this and that. So for me, most of the time she requested for her plushies. She loved to do play with plushies a lot, so she has so many requests for plushies. So I love her, and I love the way she brings so many joy to the life. She's a very excited child. The time or the day when I was recording this beautiful moments of my daily routine, that was the day when my daughter's result was awaited, and she stood really good in her kindergarten. She was promoted in the kindergarten and she was excited. She usually do her work beside my table. So this is how my whole day spent, and I spend some of my time outside, some of my time with my pets, and this is how you can bring more joy to your life. Life is busy, sometimes messy, but it is full with these beautiful little moments between crochet work and a motherhood that brings or comes with the joy. And then comes her special day and the special moment of the day. A proud day, a happy day. She got promoted to a kindergarten. She was so much excited, and honestly it felt like my achievement too. Her little hands holding those gifts, her excitement, her smile, these are the moments that truly matters. She also colored, she played, she laughed, and I just watched quietly, saving it all in my heart. So this is how she was that much excited that she directly started painting and doing and celebrating her day that she got promoted, though she has not that much um, idea that what is happening with her, but still she loved to do that. So between crochet and work and motherhood, I'm just trying to create a full life of love, and maybe that's enough for me and enough for my family. So you can do it as well. I'm a motivator as well. If you want motivation, you can see and watch my videos. You will see it properly. Thank you for watching. Bye.